Come on, you gotta come in the house. It's raining. Come on, let's go. Rylee, didn't you hear what I said? Come on, you gotta come in. No, don't try and roll over. I'm not gonna give you belly rubs and massage you for being hard-headed. I'm not gonna do that. But look at me doing it. Look at me doing it. She get me every time. Every time she get me. Come on, Rylee, we gotta go in the house because it's raining. You got a mosquito on your eye. And I do not want to get bit up, so we need to go in the house. Okay? Can we please go in the house? Rylee puppy. I know that feel good. Now come on, we gotta go in the house. Come on. Come on. Let's go. It's raining. Come on. Come on, Rylee. Come on, let's go. Rylee. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, puppy. Come on, puppy. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna drag you. Come on, Rylee. Shake. Shake, shake, shake. Good girl. Come on, let's go. You better come on. Hard-headed. Rylee, I have work to do. Yes, I have work to do. Come on. Girl, come on. Okay, whatever.